Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Living with Karen. It is a little weird to say that new name now, but gotta get used to it because, anyway. So, in this video, as you can see, we're going to be kind of doing some cleanup. Now, the actual construction of the new front fence is done and everything like that. However, we had some major cleanup to do in our yard. But one thing I wanted to share was this. When we moved the shed kind of a few feet away from the fence and everything, when we were reconstructing the fence and everything, because the vine and all that stuff was kind of over the shed and everything like that. So we had to move the shed. Now we did all of that stuff off camera and all that stuff because it took a little while. But anyway, over here in this corner, right here, when we moved the shed, you talking about some little critters. Yeah, there were some mice and what's called water bug, cockroach type of things. Guys, it was disgusting. And I was afraid that once we start shoveling these, leaves and everything like that and binding everything into a bag, that they might still be there. But apparently they went off somewhere else, which is totally awesome. So anyway, what else we do in this video is we do some mowing and weed eating as well as doing this cleanup. So anyway, I just wanted to share that little story with you guys and let you know, be aware if you're planning to do any work around a shed or whatnot. Alright, without further ado, I am going to play some music for you guys so y'all can enjoy watching us clean up our backyard. Okay, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Well, I thought you line it up right there. I guess
It's got to go down.
I know that.
Nope.
I was just trying to straighten it up a little bit, Dawn.
Karen.
What?
It's like a puzzle. It's got to go this way.
I think I had it right the first time.
Maybe it just wasn't close enough. All right. Oh.
I guess from now on, when somebody's giving away pavers, we take them.
If they're this style.
They were this style, Dylan.
Opposite.
Ow.
Yeah, like that. So this one's got to go down too. All right, how many more is left?
Well, this one and that one, I think.
So that's it. I think these stick up. The brick thing's facing up. Yeah. The brick.
Like this?
No, the other way. The line.
Like that?
Yep, and then just get it close to the thing. Yeah, watch your fingers.
Well, I know that.
Now,
So I just not close to the building. So, trying to get closer to the building. Let's just try to get it more closer to the building.
alright, then we just grab the wood over here.